Well, I made some tests with zellij vscode. So right now I have vscode on the left that is connected with the OneFootball data insights. Then I have here I have the OneFootball data insight, the Codespaces, and I have the same Codespace that I am connected that we can see it somewhere. I don't remember where, like here. So glorious xylophone for the project Naughty Thinkable. Okay, so here we are connected. Then here is possible to open the same thing in the browser, and now I am using the terminal in VS Code kind of full screen, so we can also remove this bar if we want. And as you can see, the nice thing is that VS Code terminal supports the width and the height, and so this will be useful because of course everybody, after we define the standard, everybody can increase or decrease the size, and of course after now there is still the adapt, so every time you change it it will influence everybody, but it's possible to make it fixed, and then everybody needs to change the view port or the screen font to make it work. And here zellij looks really promising. So right now I think we have something like 3 sessions, I guess 4 maybe. So right now my focus with the mouse, so the mouse is captured by zellij, so here I can move the focus. Now I can change it here, and as you can see, we can see the 2 pane that change in real time. So this you can say you have my focus together with the user purple, and here you can say purple as the focus together with yellow. So at the same time we can really have 2 tabs or 2 panes and people typing at the same time, if we want. So now it's gonna be interesting because of course then the agreement has to be, so the wide screen then they become more interesting in this case, because of course I have a single monitor that is not wide, so for me having 2 windows at the same time is not easy. But this is what we can do next. We can really have 2 or more developers writing in different in different panes of zellij at the same time. So really looking forward to learn more about zellij. I will check Tmax later, because I mean and zellij is really trivial, so it's really like zellij attach name of the session, you are done. So no crazy stuff, and everything works out of the box, because of course we are on the same code space, and the other thing is cool that it does terminate the code space, so we save money when nobody is using it. So very cool, a lot of updates. Looking forward to test the new stuff on Monday together.